How to express fear. Scared. Scared is a basic and commonly used word to express fear. It describes a general feeling of being afraid or frightened. Sentence structure. Scared to do something. I'm scared to try skydiving. Scared by something someone. I'm scared of spiders. Afraid. Afraid is another common word used to describe fear or worry. Sentence structure. Afraid of something. I'm afraid of heights. Afraid to do something. She's afraid to swim in deep water. Afraid that something might happen. She's afraid that her parents will find out. Common expressions with afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to ask questions in class. I'm afraid. As a polite apology. Used to soften bad news. I'm afraid I can't make it to the meeting. Afraid for someone something, concerned for their safety or well-being. He's afraid for his teammate, who seemed injured after the game. Nervous. Describes a state of being anxious, worried, or uneasy, often when anticipating something stressful or important. Sentence structure. Nervous about something. I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow. Nervous before an event. He gets nervous before every big game. Nervous to do something. I'm nervous to speak in front of a large audience. Nervous when something happens. I get nervous when I have to explain my ideas in meetings. Worried describes a feeling of concern or anxiety about something that might happen or has already happened. Sentence structure. Worried that something might happen. He's worried that he might miss the train. Worried about something someone. She's worried about her sick grandmother. Worried by. He was worried by the strange noises coming from the car engine.